Hi there, my name is William Stewart, and I'd like to share with you guys a process that I've been recently doing to make some online recorded lectures for some of my classes. Now, I like these lectures for a couple of different reasons. Number one, they're really easy to make. Number two, in some ways it takes the best parts of a chalk talk and combines them with the best parts from a PowerPoint. And number three, once you've made them, students will have access to them over and over, so it's pretty ideal for an online or even hybrid class in addition to a face-to-face format. So what I've essentially done is I have my iPhone propped up on a table in front of me, and it's recording what I'm doing right now. This video is a good example of kind of what a lot of my videos look like for some of my courses. I've had good student feedback so far, so I wanted to kind of share the process of how I do it. Once you've collected the video, your next step is either you can directly publish it to YouTube without doing any kind of editing or without adding any type of titles or additional pictures. That's fine, that's probably the easiest route. You just hit the share button on your iPhone, and then that will allow you to upload directly to YouTube. If you wanted to do a little editing after the fact, what you can do is you can transfer it over to your computer, and using a program like iMovie in Mac or in Windows Movie Maker and a PC, you can add some nice additions to your video. I use a Mac, so I'm going to focus that description on kind of iMovie in the Mac format. So in order to transfer this pretty large video file from your phone to your computer, you've got a couple of different options. You could email it. So Mac has a function called Mail Drop. This uploads the video to the cloud, and that allows you to download that large file to your computer at a later time. Another option that you could do is you could transfer it through AirDrop. This allows you to transfer the file through Bluetooth. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And finally, you can just get your cord that you use to charge your phone and transfer it to your computer that way. Once it's on your computer, then you just open up iMovie, you start a new project, and then import the video into that project. Once it's imported, you drag that video clip from your media down to your timeline for the current video. This allows you to select exactly what part of the video you want to include in your recording, or what part of the recording you want to include in your video. Then you can do some really fun and creative things like add titles at different parts of the video. To add a title, it's really easy. You just select the title screen, drag it down to where you would like that to appear in your timeline, type in the text that you'd like to appear, and it'll appear. You can adjust how long that title appears and where it appears, okay? If you'd like to add some media, like a picture that would pop up kind of in your video, or even a video, what you would need to do, or an additional video within the video, you need to import that media, such as the picture or video, into iMovie. Once it's there, you can drag it down onto your timeline. Once you do that, you need to hit the crop button, select fit as the option for cropping, and then for the icon just to the left of that, you select it and make sure that you have picture-in-picture highlighted. This will allow you to have a picture within the larger video. You can also select how large or small that picture is. All right. Once you've done that, you can hit the share button. This will allow you to share it directly to YouTube, add a little description, make sure it's in HD, and then it'll upload it. Once it's on YouTube, you can select closed captioning, because YouTube does a great job of automatically generating some very accurate closed captions, especially for the sciences. So hopefully this helps you out. I know that I've enjoyed making these videos, and the students seem to appreciate them as well. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.